starts with exciting contest for all the beautiful ladies only. Stay tuned till end of the episode. Participate in our contest and win super duper prizes.
नमस्कार आणि येवकार स्वामिनी सीझन 2.0. आमच्या बरोबर आज अशीच एक स्वामिनी आसा, कौशा शिरसाट नाटेकर. शी इज इनटू डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. आता डिजिटल मार्केटिंग म्हणलं की पीपल हॅव लॉट्स ऑफ कन्फ्युजन, सो शी इज हियर टू हेल्प अस आउट विथ वॉट इज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. Hi Kaushya, welcome to our series Swamini Season 2. Kaushya, digital marketing is trending. Today you can say it is a vibe of today. So digital marketing म्हणजे एक्झॅक्टली कितें व्ह्युअर्सांक सांगपा खातीर?
Okay, so digital marketing and कितें? So anything your print media is there. See, आता आमी we are as people we are used to newspapers, magazines. तसले we are used to that. So that is anything that is print media. So आता कितें जालां, the second you wake up, any age आसूं, ते ओपन करून पयलीं फोन पळयता, or if you are on the laptop तुजे Facebook, Insta हे सगळें आसा. So digital marketing is entirely that comes on your social media or your any PC, तुजो mobile, anything. Any advertisement which comes online is digital marketing.
Okay. So how you came up with this idea of digital marketing? Are you म्हणजे तुका initially startingच तुवें धरिल्लें की after education I will jump into digital marketing or something like that?
So not at all. So I did my computer engineering. Okay, after that I thought I'll go in a normal regular 9 to 5 job plan kello पयलीं. Eventually I thought I'll do my MBA. Okay, just for making my education better. So पहिले हांवें marketing and MBA start केली. In that I was kind of inclined in this entire concept and I knew this will be the future. Starting businesses is becoming like very crucial right now, and इतले जाणां especially in Goa also इतले लोक marketing company start करता. But marketing करपाक there are so many people players right now, but there are a lot of clients also for them.
Okay. Yeah. So if a client comes to you that I want to say, suppose I am having a kind of a shop or something, so maka suppose digital marketing जाय जाल्यार how you would help me?
Okay, so first I would see the client's budget. Okay, कित्याक थोड्यांक कितें जाता, some people think तूं 40-50K घालना जाल्यार you cannot market online. So that is a very wrong misconception that is going around. So the thing is, I usually work according to the client's budget. So if तांकां website जाय or तांकां social media चेर just presence जाय or basically तांकां just designs केल्ले जाय of their offers and things like that, which they want to share even personally on their WhatsApp. Even such things we help them with.
Okay, and what is the starting range?
So it starts at around 5K per month. Okay, but then I would say the ideal package would be like 10K to 15K per month. Okay, which we can provide our best services in that time. म्हणजे we can provide like a influencer, a paid promotions where आम्ही टार्गेट करपाक शकता. आता समज एक कंपनी आसा जातून से अ पार्लर, ओके, तांकां समज they have some offers on nail paint. Okay, so we can target females in that area. Okay, so something like that, it requires a little higher budget. But of course, if you want something very minimum like designs करून just regular promotions, it can be done even at 5K for a month.
ट्रेंड आशिल्लो पयलीं न्यूज पेपरांनी पॅम्पलेट घालताले, देन मागीर टीव्हीचेर एडवर्टिजमेंट इज फॉर अ लॉंग टायम इट इज हॅपनिंग. मागीर आयले ट्विटर, फेसबूक, सोशल मिडिया हाचेर पोस्टिंग जाले. नाव न्यू ट्रेंड वीच इज गोईंग ऑन इज इन्फ्लुएन्सर. तूं खंयसरूय एड कर, यू हॅव टू इनवायट फ्यू इन्फ्लुएन्सर अँड गेट द थिंग्स डन. सो हाव दॅट इज टेकिंग अ शेप इन टुडेज डे?
So there is significance आसा ताचेर. ओके, कित्याक मेन कितें जाता की इवन इफ सम स्पेशली फॉर रेस्टॉरंट्स, रिसॉर्ट्स, दीज पीपल वर्क बेटर. कित्याक कितें जाता, पीपल डोंट फॉलो अ रेस्टॉरंट और अ resort on social media. They prefer to follow these people and ती खंय वता ते भोवन at least that vibe, kind of that trend create जाता. The hype is created कि okay, something new has come up, you know, like such things are created. So definitely influencers are going to go on also for quite some time. Eventually I don't know what is their future but yes, of course, right now it's very beneficial.
Okay, and Kaushya, म्हाका सांग, now in this market, in digital marketing, as it is growing, you must be having a lot of players as your competitors. So what are the challenges you face?
So that's what I'm saying. So there are so many businesses right now ki amka we have enough clients to feed all the marketing people.
Okay.
Asha zala. So I won't really consider them as a competitor, because even when I shifted now from Madgaon to Mapsa, there were many who approached me who wanted to do collabs with me.
Okay.
You know, where they wanted to, okay, I can give you better videography services, you can give me the marketing, online marketing, you can give me a website channel partner and things like that. So I think we are mostly working in collaboration basis, where we are helping each other out and helping the client also grow.
Okay. Kaushya, getting into your personal life, you have recently got married. So how you balance your married life and your this career kind of thing?
So I think that support is like the main thing. कित्याक म्हाका पयलींच्यान सुद्दां इवन वरदान सांगिल्लें की लायक अशें तुका हांगा बसपा मेळटलें, हांगा हें करपा मेळटलें गोईंग ऑन. सो आतां आनी आमचें कितें जाता, ताजे सुद्दां आतां कंपनीज आसा जे हांव मार्केटींग करपाक शकता. सो मेन चॅलेंज वॉजंट the personal and professional life, it was the suddenly clients join जाले ते. That was the main thing. But yeah, and even father-in-law, parents basically, mother-in-law we support केल्यार other things are fine.
Well, the girls have just graduated, they have just passed out. There are many housewives who are sitting home. So तांकां तूं कितें message दितलें?
So I always say, I tell whoever I meet, हांव एक common thing सांगता की always work with something which you are passionate about. Okay, so कितेंय आसूं तें न्ही, like for example, I was always online on social media doing like Facebook, Insta म्हजें चालू आसतालें. So converting that into a profession was something I not only had the passion for, but I also enjoyed. So if you have something that तुका even मातशें सुद्दां आवडटा, you have to get into it at some point and make a profession out of it. Kiत्याक right now you have a lot of support also coming in terms of government also, or any help in your family as well. So why not?
सांगले की it came as a passion, but actually what is that point where it started?
Okay, so the thing is, actually my dad fell sick, after a heart attack. So जेन्ना तो हॉस्पिटलान आशिल्लो, I had to leave my job, because भयण was pregnant that time, and so my mom, it was only mom and me. So we had to, instead of waiting outside the ICU, and there was nothing we could do, and thinking about it would be very stressful. So how eventually त्या एरियांनी भोंवताले, outside the hospital area, and these restaurants, stall, गाडे तांकां वचून म्हणटाले की at a small price I can give you online marketing. So that's how I started. सो इवेंच्युअली म्हाका इतले क्लायंट जाले की जे हांवें जॉब सोडिल्ले ताका सॅलरी क्रॉस जाली. आनी इवेंच्युअली म्हजो क्लायंट तो जाणें म्हाका हायर केल्लो, ही केम बॅक टू मी सेईंग दॅट नाव इफ यू वॉन्ट टू रिजॉइन यू कॅन. But at that point I was like happy with what I'm doing, so I thought I'll continue. In fact, तो म्हजो जाणें म्हाका हायर केल्लो, he became my client.
Oh, that's very nice. So this is, I think, a perfect example of what you call स्वावलंबी and स्वयंपूर्ण kind of thing. So हे आशिल्ले आमची स्वामिनी कौश्या सिरसाट नाटेकर, आणि तिणे आमकां खुबशे इन्फॉर्मेशन दिले अबाउट डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, हाउ हर करियर स्टार्टेड and how the family has been supporting her.
Now it's time for question for episode 3. Question is, what is the education qualification of Kaushya Shirsat Natekar? WhatsApp your answer on 7709873986 by 5 p.m. on 24th July 2025. Please mention your full name and place. Now it's time to thank all the viewers. We have got a very good response for the last contest. And now it's time to declare the winner of the last episode. And the winner is Vrushali Rajendra Phonvekar. She has won a discount voucher from Derma 24 Clinic and Saloon. Congratulations!